Hi guys, welcome to Bikers Club channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about 2024 Honda ADV 160 first look. So make sure to watch the full video. Honda's small displacement adventure scooter gets a complete makeover for 2024, and that includes a new engine and chassis. While the 2024 Honda ADV 160 is described as a city adventure motorcycle by its maker, we know from our test of the ADV 150 that it will take on dirt roads. There are quite a few things to tell you about, so let's dig into the new ADV 160. The motor is an all-new ESP Plus unit, which is popular in Asian markets. Honda claims lower emissions, more power, and improved gas mileage for the new engine, which has an entirely different top end. The old 2-valve head is replaced with a 4-valve configuration. The bore increases by 2.7 millimeters, while the stroke gets reduced by 2.9 millimeters. The result, however, is a 7.6 cc increase in the combustion chamber. Honda insiders tell us the power boost makes the ADV 160 legal for freeway use in most states. The fully automatic continuously variable transmission returns, as is customary on scooters. The 2024 Honda ADV 160 gets adjustable traction control. We've seen it on the Africa Twin, and now the ADV 160 has it. Traction control helps riders on low-traction pavement and makes it easier to ride on unpaved roads. Exactly what you'd expect from an ADV scooter. A new LCD dash helps monitor the traction control setting, along with other functions. There's a new frame, and it sits lower. The seat is new, and the seat height is down 1.2 inches compared to the ADV 150. It is now 30.1 inches high. Rear wheel travel has been shortened 0.6 inches to 4.1 inches, while the fork travel remains unchanged at 5.1 inches. The fork and shocks are by Showa. The 2024 Honda ADV 160 has a tighter fork angle and a longer wheelbase than last year's ADV 150. Rake is tucked in a half degree to 26.5 degrees, while the wheelbase is extended 0.3 inches to 52.1 inches. The new frame also means more cargo carrying capacity. The underseat storage bin will now hold 30 liters, up 2 liters. The windscreen is taller and has 2 positions. You can adjust the windscreen height without tools. The new bodywork is sleeker, while increasing leg protection from the elements. The front disc rear drum braking pairing returns. As before, anti-lock braking system is front wheel only. The 14 by 13 inch wheel pairing is also unchanged. With all these new features, the price of the 2024 Honda ADV 160 is only $150 more than the ADV 150. The MSRP sits at $4,499, and there is a choice of 2 colors for 2024: red metallic and pearl smoky gray. What do you think about our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel before you go.